Very nice. We have already created our project, inserted our all entities, the product, and our simple object and class DTO. So let's create our controllers to implement some little examples to use in this product. Okay, so click in the writing option, the folder controller, add a new controller, but we don't create in the MVC controller because it's useful to create a page for ASP.NET Core. Okay, so we choose this option API controller, and my button don't open for me, so insert it. Okay, good. So we're using this option API controller empty because we will define the things. And let's change the name for product controller. Okay, so verify my class is created inside this folder, and our product controller have the same characteristics for the example and controller weather forecast. So you see our controller receive the inheritance for the controller base, like the example, and have these two options, the notation API controller and our outcome. The difference is for this example, the out is defining only the name for my controller. Okay, and for this example, the name is the prefix API slash in my controller name. So we need to pay attention in this detail because when we test the things, if don't using this prefix, we don't obtain the right things. Okay, so let's creating a little very simple example to test our controller. I create a method, um, and I will return a list for our product. Okay, so I using my DTO class, and when I inserted this class verify, we have the product DTO for our project, but the .NET Dev Studio don't find this reference. Look the message. Is don't isn't in the current context. For this context, for inside this control folder or namespace, the namespace is a combination for our tree structure of folders. We don't have this class inside, so I need inserting reference using this using keyword, okay, to insert this reference. So I have the shortcut for implementing this reference is I left the mouse in the middle of the word of class. I'm using the combination keys, the control and dot for keyboard, and I'm using this option, the using and repair. I have this reference included for us in the class, the controller. Very nice. Good. So let's create the method. So the idea is return a list of product, and I could be using anywhere name. Okay, so I using the get because I would like using the standard, the RESTful, but I could be using a potato name, for example. Okay, so for now I return the null because I don't have any product for time, and I using the verb http get. Okay, very simple. So to test this, I created some products to simplify the things. So let's create a list of product, and I call it products. Instantiating this, my collection, and we return this collection products. So let's create some products. So add, and we have the new. I think before creating a product object, okay. So my product one, instantiated this, and let's insert in this option properties. So ID using one, for example, the name for my products um, I don't know, a mouse, and I have my register date, time now. And would you like my product is active too? Good. So let's create another product to increment the things. So I have my product too. I can decode for my ID, and I have a book dev C# .NET Core. Okay, so I have my collection products, and I will add my product. So add my product 1, and I have the key inserted my collection, my product 2. Good. So finally, I return this product. Okay, so it's a very simple example. So let's test this. I click to play, or I could be using the F5 for keyboard. The application is loading. So verify. For standard, the application started the controller for my endpoint is the weather forecast. So in the next video, we will verify how change this. Okay, my for timing, let's in this, I change for now access my second controller that we created now. So I using the prefix API product and enter. Voila, verify our products created is returned. So the thing's working. Woohoo! Very nice. So we have our controller, and remember, for requests, to implement the request for our controller, we don't need using the controller word. Okay, I pass only product, and I need using the API because I have this in definition for my router controller API slash my product. Okay, and the get is call for the for because is the verb for request the things. So the things working very very nice. We are creating our product controller. In the next video we will evaluating the things. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we see you in the next video. Bye.